LeBron James became the all-time playoff scorer passing Michael Jordan. The only reason why it's a big deal is he's passing Michael Jordan. If he was passing Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, it wouldn't be as big a deal. But LeBron, Michael Jordan, it's inevitable. They're going to somehow collide here in the next couple of years. It'll be a ghost against LeBron. And really, that's what the NBA is all about. They're still chasing the ghost of Michael Jordan. We in the media don't help that either because we don't let it go. But LeBron being compared to Michael Jordan. If he beats the Warriors, oh, okay. Yes, absolutely. I'm right there on the front lines. And it's hard to really compare because if you look at LeBron and Jordan, they're not similar players. They're great players. They wear the same number, but they're not in, even LeBron said, look, I patterned my game after Michael Jordan, but he's not as smooth as Michael was. He's not as much of a lockdown defender as Michael. He's not as much of a killer, but he has a different personality trait. He's a facilitator. But he's still one of the great players of all time. But we want to compare those two. I still am amazed when we have this conversation. You know who gets left out every single time? Greatest players of all time. Left out every time. Kareem. If it's about winning titles, who won 6 titles? If it's about being decorated, if it's about being the all-time leading scorer, and we never talk about Kareem. Why? We talk about Bill Russell. He won 11. We talk about Wilt because he had all these great stats. I look at Kareem as a combo of Russell and Wilt. He was absolutely dominating. He won titles. Now you can say, oh, Magic helped him. Okay. Yeah, a lot of guys needed help from other players. Bird didn't do it on his own in Boston. Michael didn't do it on his own in Chicago. But somehow Kareem is never in that conversation. And I don't know why.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.